If you're preparing for the B2 German exam, you probably know it's not easy. The grammar gets tougher, the vocabulary expands, and the speaking test? That can be nerve-wracking. But don't worry. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step strategy to pass the B2 exam with confidence. Let's get started. Understanding the B2 exam format. Before preparing, you need to know exactly what to expect. Listening. 3 to 4 audio recordings, interviews, news, conversations. Need to extract details and main ideas. Practice with Deutsche Welle and ARD podcasts. Reading. Texts include articles, advertisements, or reports. Questions test comprehension, vocabulary, and inferences. Read news on Der Spiegel or Süddeutsche Zeitung daily. Writing. Writing formal letters, emails, and expressing opinions. Learn standard structures for complaints, applications, and discussions. Speaking. Dialogue, monologue, and expressing opinions on a topic. Find a language partner and practice daily conversations. The best study resources. Now that you know the format, let's talk about the best ways to prepare. Grammar and vocabulary. Use B-Grammatik by Schubert Verlag. Apps like Anki for vocabulary flashcards. Goethe-Zertifikat B2 Übungsbuch. For practice exercises. Listening practice. Slow German podcast. Goethe Institute audio exercises. YouTube channels like Easy German. An Deutsch mit Maria. Reading practice. Short news articles from Tagesschau and Deutsche Welle. Read B2 level books. Die Verwandlung by Franz Kafka. Writing practice. Goethe sample writing exercises. Get feedback from native speakers on italki or Hi Native. Speaking practice. Language partners on Tandem or Hello Talk. Join online B2 conversation groups. Exam day strategy. You've studied hard. Now let's talk about how to perform well on exam day. Listening tip. Focus on keywords. Don't try to understand every word. Reading tip. Skim first, then read in detail. Writing tip. Follow a clear structure. Introduction, body, conclusion. Speaking tip. Use phrases like Ich denke, dass, meiner Meinung nach, and avoid long pauses. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Many people fail because of these mistakes. Make sure you avoid them. Memorizing without understanding grammar. Not practicing speaking enough. Ignoring formal writing structures. Reading too slowly instead of skimming first. Passing the B2 exam isn't just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about confidence and real-world application. Stick to your study plan, practice consistently, and you'll succeed. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments which part of the exam worries you the most. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other German learning videos.